In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists effectively in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, organize, and track checklist items so your tasks move forward smoothly. Start by signing into Trello and opening the board where you're managing your work. Once the board loads, pick the specific card you want to work on. Think of a card as the home for a task or project. Open that card to see its details. Inside the card, look for the checklist option and click it. Trello will ask you to give your checklist a title. Choose a name that makes its purpose obvious, like launch tasks or QA steps, then click Add. You'll see a new section appear in the card where you can start adding items. You can type items one by one, pressing Enter after each to create a tidy list. If you already have a list elsewhere, here's a time saver. Copy a set of lines from a spreadsheet or text file and paste them directly into the checklist. Trello will automatically convert each line into its own item, which is perfect for long, structured lists. As you begin checking items off, Trello shows a progress bar and a percentage complete at the top of the checklist. This gives you instant feedback on how far you've come. When every item is done, the bar turns green, offering a satisfying visual cue that the checklist is complete. To get real value from checklists, use them to break larger tasks into small, clear steps. Each checklist item should be a single, actionable task you can complete in one sitting. Keep the wording specific and start with a verb like draft outline, review copy, or upload assets. Short, focused items reduce ambiguity and make the next action obvious. If you're collaborating, you can assign checklist items to teammates so everyone knows who owns what. Look for the option to add a member on each item. Assignments make accountability clear and keep work from stalling. You can also add a due date to individual checklist items. This is especially useful when a card spans multiple days or phases, and you need to stagger deadlines. Depending on your Trello plan, assigning and due dates on checklist items may require an upgraded tier. That's it. Log in, open your board and card, add a checklist with a clear title, bulk paste items if you have them, track progress, break work into actionable steps, assign owners, and set due dates. Follow this flow, and your Trello checklists will turn messy tasks into a precise, manageable plan.